Hi everybody, welcome to the ARC 800 gram roaster preview. Today we're going to be talking about ARC Roaster's 800 gram unit. Yes, we are Showroom Coffee. My name is Taylor. We are the seller for the ARC 800 around the world and especially here in the US. We distribute from our warehouse here in Brooklyn, New York. So right now we're looking at one of our white models. The ARC 800 also comes in red and matte black. So depending on where you're putting your roaster, maybe it's in a nice coffee shop, in the front window, or in your home, you can look at 3 different colors that we have available. Check our website for inventory at any given time. Sometimes we are sold out of particular models. So let's go through some of the features and components of the ARC roaster. One of the most important parts of the ARC is its drum. It's roughly between here and there. It's a carbon steel drum. It's a single wall drum with that efficiency of metal. You do not need double wall. Very nice heat distribution on carbon steel, very efficient for roasting. Electrical is easy to set up on the ARC. You do not need any specialized installation. Plugs into any 110 outlet in your home or your business. If you're in another country, we can program it for 220 electricity or whatever your needs are for your location. Ventilation, you'll need to hook up this exhaust tubing. We provide this really nice high heat black exhaust tubing. Just goes right on the back of your exhaust fan. And on the other end, you'll want to vent that to the outside, either through a hole in the wall, through a window, or up through a fan that you have pulling your air to the outside. Really easy to hook up your ARC to gas if you're going with the gas model. We provide this propane regulator hose with the ARC. Easily screws on to any gas tank you might have at your home, let's say for your gas grill, or you can hardline it into, let's say, a larger propane tank you would have at your home or your business for your heating or cooking. We can also convert this easily to work on LNG. However, LNG users must ensure that their building gas line is going to be 30 to 40 millibars of pressure. Most residential and even commercial services do not hit that pressure yet, so you'll need to have a plumber increase that if you don't have it yet. But once you do, it's an easy swap out for us and we can hook you up with an LNG roaster as well. So the roasting process and some of the key features of the ARC 800 roaster. Your ARC can roast up to 800 grams. You can roast down to 150 to 200 grams, even lower if you really want to use it as a sample roaster once you've gotten the hang of the machine and how it reacts with smaller batches. So it's a workhorse machine. We have commercial customers who are using this and coffee shops and cafes back to back, roasting 6 to 8 hours a day, 5 days a week. So assuming you're keeping it clean, you can really use this as a nice production roaster, say 700 to 750 on nice specialty batches, or if you're really going for volume, you can hit 800 grams. During your roast, you will be modifying your gas pressure using this knob here, and the gas will go up and down through the manual gauge here. The screen shows your environmental temperature and your bean temperature. You can also change the screen to show the temperature of the air going into the drum from the burner. That's called the air in temperature. So you can view the temperatures here on the screen. You can also hook up your ARC to a computer to track your roasts on Artisan or Cropster software. Those are very easy to set up as the ARC 800 is already one of the preloaded machines within those softwares. Elsewhere on the screen, you have a timer, start and stop here, the cooling tray button, which will turn on the fan and the stirring arms at the same time. It's a separate fan from the airflow fan, so if you're doing back-to-back roasting, they will not interfere. You also have the gas ignition switch here for when you're ready to roast. Throughout the roast on the ARC 800, you will also be using your airflow quite a bit. Airflow can be adjusted through this knob here and viewed here with your air pressure gauge. Many customers ask us, should I buy the airflow meter or not? I personally think it's a very helpful additional piece of data that it can provide to you. The airflow meter will tell you what is the actual pressure of the air leaving through the fan, instead of just relying on the airflow gauge handle here, which will only open or close a space more or less. So if you haven't cleaned your exhaust lines in a while, or there's something loose within your system, the airflow meter will really help you to know that something is wrong, or that you need to get cleaning soon, or just really using that data point. On the other side of the machine, you have your airflow fan, which is standing on top of the cyclone, which collects your chaff. On the bottom of that cyclone, you have a bucket after every few roasts. You'll want to remove that bucket just to dump out the chaff so you don't have too much chaff leaving your exhaust lines. When you're finished with your roast, open and close this door here. Cools in the cooling tray, very quick cooling, and the beans can go out through this door. You'll find maintenance on your arc roaster to be quite easy. After every few roasts, you can check under here to see if any bits have fallen out through the drum front. Also, empty out your chaff bin after every few roasts as well. After every 10 or 20 roasts, you want to make sure you're keeping your exhaust lines very clean. Cleaning, we would recommend within the user manual, you have a whole schedule in there of everything you need to do. If you ever do need to get inside the roaster, very easy to access all the parts inside through these screws here and on the front, quite easy to access. Safety is of the utmost importance when roasting with the arc roaster. That's why we have two safety mechanisms on here. There is a loud alarm that will go off when your roaster reaches 530 degrees Fahrenheit to tell you that it is way too hot and that you need to turn your gas off and stop roasting immediately. There's also an alarm that you will hear if your flame goes out and your gas is still on. But otherwise, safety is important. You must always stay near the roaster while you are roasting. If you have any questions about safety or maintenance of the arc, you can always contact the Showroom Coffee team with any questions. If you're looking to order an arc roaster, or if you have any questions about installation or use, get in touch with us. You can call us, check out our phone number on our website, visit us at showroomcoffee.com. So thanks for watching our video about the Arc 800 roaster. We hope to hear from you soon here at Showroom Coffee.